Have you ever stared at your to-do list, then decided to just take a nap? Yeah, that's not just you being lazy. That's your cat brain trying to survive. Meet the cat brain. Inside your head, you've got a smart brain and a cat brain. The smart brain plans your future. The cat brain, it only cares about right meow. Deadlines? That's future you's problem. Right now, the cat wants dopamine, tuna, feather toys, naps, anything.
Why the cat takes over. Every time you face something hard, your brain whispers, too scary, too hard. Let's groom ourselves instead. It's not laziness, it's pain avoidance. The cat avoids pain and chases quick rewards. But then comes the deadline, and suddenly a wild vacuum monster appears. The cat runs. Smart brain takes over. You write 2,000 words in 2 hours. Stress? Yes. But done? Also yes.
So, how do you stop procrastinating? Number 1. Make tasks tiny. Instead of saying, finish writing an essay, just say, write for 15 minutes. Number 2. Reward progress. Get something done? Time for a tuna treat reward. Number 3. Trick the cat. Say, I'll just do this for 2 minutes, and by the time the cat notices, you're already halfway done. The cat brain isn't your enemy. You just have to learn how to lead it. The cat says, thanks. Like this video? Toss him a subscribe. It keeps the treats coming.